are hoofed, herbivorous mammals belonging to the family Cervidae, known for their graceful appearance, agility, and in most species, the presence of antlers on males. Found across a wide range of habitats, from dense forests and grasslands to wetlands and tundra, deer are distributed throughout North and South America, Europe, Asia, and parts of northern Africa. There are over 40 recognized species of deer, varying greatly in size, appearance, and behavior. Some, like the moose, are massive and adapted to cold climates, while others, like the tiny pudu, thrive in dense South American forests. Antlers, a distinguishing feature in most male deer and in female reindeer, are shed and regrown annually and are used in dominance displays and mating battles. Deer play a crucial role in many ecosystems as grazers and browsers, helping to shape plant communities. Their adaptability, striking beauty, and ecological importance make them one of the most iconic and widely recognized groups of wild animals in the world. Discover the top 10 most majestic and diverse deer species found across forests, grasslands, and mountains worldwide. The red deer, Cervus elaphus, is one of the largest and most majestic deer species in the world, native to Europe, parts of Asia, and North Africa. Recognized for its reddish-brown coat and impressive branching antlers, which are grown by males and shed annually, the red deer plays an iconic role in many forest ecosystems and cultural traditions. Stags, males, are especially notable during the rutting season when they produce deep roars to compete for mates and engage in antler battles. These deer are highly adaptable and can be found in woodlands, grasslands, and even high mountain areas. Social animals, red deer often form groups, with females and their young living in herds, while males tend to be more solitary outside the mating season. Their grace, strength, and striking appearance make the red deer a symbol of wild beauty across its range. The caribou, known as the reindeer in Europe and Asia, is a species of deer, Rangifer tarandus, adapted to life in the Arctic and subarctic regions. Found across North America, Greenland, Scandinavia, and Russia, caribou are known for their seasonal migrations, some of the longest of any land mammal. Both males and females grow antlers, a rare trait among deer species. Their thick fur and large, concave hooves help them survive in snowy environments, allowing them to dig through snow to reach lichen, their primary winter food. Caribou are essential to indigenous cultures for food, clothing, and tools, and also play a vital role in northern ecosystems. Despite their resilience, many caribou populations are facing decline due to habitat loss, climate change, and industrial development. The wapiti, also known as the North American elk, Cervus canadensis, is one of the largest species within the deer family and is native to North America and parts of Asia. Recognized for its impressive antlers and robust body, the wapiti thrives in a variety of habitats including forests, grasslands, and mountainous regions. Males, or bulls, grow large, branching antlers each year, which they use during the rutting season to compete for mates. These antlers can span over 4 feet across. Wapiti are herbivores and graze on grasses, shrubs, and tree bark. They are highly social animals, often seen in herds, especially during migration or winter. Known for their loud, haunting bugles, especially during mating season, wapiti play a vital ecological role and hold cultural significance for many indigenous peoples and conservationists. The chital axis, also known as the spotted deer or axis deer, is a graceful and striking deer species native to the Indian subcontinent. It is easily recognized by its reddish-brown coat adorned with distinctive white spots, which remain throughout its life and provide effective camouflage in forested habitats. Chital have slender builds, white underbellies, and a dark dorsal stripe running along their backs. Males grow 3-pronged antlers that can reach impressive lengths, shedding them annually as part of their natural cycle. These deer are social animals and are often seen in herds ranging from small groups to large assemblies, sometimes accompanied by langur monkeys, with whom they share a symbiotic relationship, using the monkey's alarm calls as an early warning system against predators. Chital primarily graze on grasses but also browse on leaves and fruits, especially during the dry season. Commonly found in Indian forests and wildlife sanctuaries, the chital is not only a vital prey species for large carnivores like tigers and leopards but also an iconic symbol of India's rich biodiversity. The mule deer Otocoileus hemionus is a graceful and adaptable species of deer found primarily in western North America. It is easily recognized by its large, mule-like ears, which are proportionally much bigger than those of other deer species. Mule deer have a stocky build, a black-tipped tail, and a coat that changes color with the seasons, reddish-brown in summer and grayish-brown in winter. Bucks grow impressive antlers that fork and re-fork, unlike the single beam of white-tailed deer. Mule deer inhabit a wide range of environments, from desert scrublands and rocky hills to mountain forests and open meadows. They are most active during dawn and dusk, browsing on shrubs, leaves, and grasses. With their powerful legs, mule deer are excellent jumpers and are known for their distinctive bounding gait, known as stotting, where all 4 feet push off the ground simultaneously. Despite their adaptability, mule deer face threats from habitat loss, vehicle collisions, and predation, but remain a common and iconic sight in the American West. The white-tailed deer Otocoileus virginianus is one of the most widespread and recognizable deer species in North America. Named for the characteristic white underside of its tail, which it raises like a flag when alarmed, this deer is known for its adaptability to various habitats, including forests, grasslands, swamps, and even suburban areas. White-tailed deer have a reddish-brown coat in the summer that turns grayish-brown in winter, helping them blend into their surroundings throughout the seasons. Males, or bucks, grow antlers each year that typically have a single main beam with multiple points, used in sparring during the breeding season. Does, or females, are smaller and more slender, often seen with their fawns in spring and summer. White-tailed deer are herbivores, feeding on a wide variety of vegetation, including leaves, twigs, fruits, and grasses. They are graceful, agile runners and excellent jumpers, capable of navigating dense woodland or open fields with ease. As an iconic symbol of North American wildlife, the white-tailed deer plays an important role in both natural ecosystems and cultural traditions. The tufted deer Elaphotis cephalophus is a small and unusual deer species native to the forested mountains of central and southern China and northeastern Myanmar. It is best known for the distinctive black tuft of hair on its forehead, which gives the species its name, and for the elongated, fang-like upper canines that are especially prominent in males. These fangs, which resemble small tusks, are used in fights during mating season and add to the deer's unique appearance. Tufted deer have a dark brown or grayish coat with a lighter underbelly and a short, fluffy tail. They are shy and elusive, typically active during dawn and dusk, and prefer dense vegetation where they can remain hidden. Solitary or found in pairs, tufted deer feed on a diet of leaves, twigs, fruits, and grasses. Due to their secretive nature and limited range, they are not well studied in the wild. Habitat loss and hunting have placed pressure on tufted deer populations, making conservation efforts increasingly important for this rare and intriguing species. The moose Alces alces is the largest and heaviest member of the deer family, known for its impressive size, long legs, and distinctive broad, flat antlers that can span over 6 feet wide in mature males. These solitary and majestic animals are native to the boreal and mixed deciduous forests of North America, Europe, and Asia, particularly thriving in colder climates where they are well adapted to snow and harsh conditions. Moose are often seen near lakes, rivers, and swamps, as they are strong swimmers and frequently feed on aquatic vegetation such as water lilies and pondweed. On land, their diet consists of leaves, twigs, bark, and shoots from trees and shrubs. They have a thick, dark brown coat that insulates them during long winters, and their long legs help them move through deep snow and wetlands with ease. Though generally calm, moose can become aggressive if threatened, especially during the rutting season or when protecting their young. Their towering stature, quiet strength, and connection to wild, remote landscapes make the moose a powerful symbol of the northern wilderness. The fallow deer, Dama Dama, is a medium-sized deer species native to parts of Europe and the Middle East, though it has been introduced to many regions around the world. It is easily recognized by its distinctive palmate antlers, which resemble the shape of a flattened hand, particularly in mature males, and by its variety of coat colors, ranging from reddish-brown with white spots in summer to darker, solid coats in winter. Some individuals, like the white fallow deer, display rare and striking coloration. Fallow deer are highly adaptable and typically inhabit woodlands, meadows, and parklands. They are social animals, often forming herds, and are most active during dawn and dusk. Known for their graceful movements and alert behavior, fallow deer play a notable role in managed deer parks and natural ecosystems alike. Eld's deer, Rucervus eldi, also known as the thommen or brow-antlered deer, is a rare and elegant species native to Southeast Asia, including parts of India, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam. This medium-sized deer is best known for its uniquely shaped antlers, which grow in a distinctive bow-like curve that can span up to a meter in length. Males display these antlers prominently during the breeding season. Eld's deer typically inhabit open forests, grasslands, and marshy plains, where they feed on grasses, leaves, and tender shoots. They are most active during the early morning and late afternoon. Sadly, their populations have drastically declined due to habitat loss, poaching, and agricultural encroachment, making them an endangered species. Conservation efforts, including protected areas and breeding programs, are ongoing to help preserve this graceful and culturally significant deer species.
Thank you all for watching this here video.